All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property home tour. If it's your first time tuning into this channel, my name is Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas. I'm out here in the north side of the Las Vegas Valley, Riviera and the 215. So today we're going to be exploring this beautiful community. It's called Fullerton Coves by Richmont American Homes. So we have the maple, we got the birch, and then what do we have? I can't see that far. I know that's the boxwood, but it used to be called the Edwards. And that is, I think, the Hercules, I think it is. Which is, I'm not too sure. I got to get up there a little bit closer. Oh, it's hibiscus. Anyway, so today we're just going to be looking at the maple here. Now, what you'll see here with the maple, you have an option for 3 bedrooms to 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bath to 3.5 bath. It is 2,500 square feet with a 2-car garage. And this one, I think you got 3 different elevations. However, Richmont no longer allows you to pick from scratch, especially in this community, which means that you can no longer spec out your home. They will spec it out for you. So what that means is they'll build it. You come by, you take a look at it when it's about 3 months to completion. Sometimes you may not be able to see the inside with all the options and upgrades, but you'll get that list with a bunch of pictures. So they do have the maple. They got 2 maples right now for sale, and one of them, all in on the price, is $546,399. The second one is $548,940. So let's take a look at this AC unit. So we got a Goodman here. This is a 14 SEER AC unit. Looks like they have some stucco work that needs to be done. Pretty clean. This one has a service door. That would be an option. Eight-foot garage door. Love the front covered patio here. Also, the weather out here in Las Vegas is nice and cool right now, in the 70s with a light breeze. Oh, this one has 4-can lighting. All right, so let's go inside. Let's see what we got here. You have an option for a rekey. A lot of builders are doing this now. So you walk straight into the hallway. Then we have the staircase that leads you upstairs with this beautiful banister. That would be an upgrade here. So remember, on their spec models, you're going to get some of these items, some of them you won't. So we have the bullnose, skip trowel texture. This is the standard casings around the door here. This is a 8-foot door, 9-foot ceilings. Let me just take you straight back this way. So it's kind of like an L shape here. Now there's tons of upgrades that they've done. I think we'll start, let's go to the backyard. You have a nice 12-foot center slide. These are all vinyl. During your new home orientation, when you're taking possession of the property, make sure to check all your vinyls because there's going to be tons of scratches and scuff marks. And out here it does get a little bit dusty, so you're going to have to clean out that track every now and then before it gets sticky. So in this one, I believe the cover patio, you have 2 options. You get half of this or you get the full. But I know I keep saying options, but you don't get the options. Here you don't pay SIDS or LIDS, which is Special Improvement District and Local Improvement District. This one has 2 AC units, which is perfect for a 2-story home. If I had a 2-story home, this is something that I definitely would recommend. And the reason why this is important is because during the summertime out here in Las Vegas, it gets so hot. If you have 1 AC unit and the thermostat is downstairs, the downstairs will cool off at like, say 70, but you go upstairs, it's like 80 degrees because of the dew point downstairs. Now, the condenser here, would highly recommend that You do your full maintenance every 12 months. Also, another thing I want to share with you is what you see here are little grids. These are coils, right? And sometimes these coils will be pushed. You need this to have the airflow to come in here, push the air out, because the condenser gets very hot. So you want to maximize the airflow. So as you can see, there's some dents here, but they do make a comb where you can actually comb that down. These here are exhaust vents. Now with the landscaping here, as you can see, underneath here, what you're going to find is we have a drain swell that takes the water all the way out to that brick right there. Okay. Another thing is that I want to share with you is typically a builder, once they buy land, they'll have to do a soil report for Geotech out here in Las Vegas. They're like one of the biggest companies. When they do the soil report, it's just not on your lot. They do the whole land. Then you have a civil engineer that will come out here and do all the slope and all the pitches. And typically they'll run the sewage line. They will also run the gray line, the waterways. What is that? I'm sorry. Water, sewage, and the gas line. And they'll get that approved by the county. So it looks like we have brick that's broken here. So typically, if this happens, you can actually cut these out and also replace them. Also, I've noticed with the trades here, the walls here look really well on the new homes. When you're about to take possession, I notice a lot of them are scuffed and they are dirty. And if you want them replaced, it is your right to get it replaced. So if you get a bottle by the superintendent because he doesn't want to do it, that's just how it is sometimes. But you just got to know how to communicate. You got to know your rights. We got 9-foot ceilings here. And it looks like they did some upgrades on the surround sounds, as you can see. Pretty nice. Here, we are having a split on the ceiling drywall. And sometimes that could actually be common because the home is shifting. And when you go from like hot to cold, and it's a dramatic temperature change, you're going to get that split. Also, you know, if you buy a brand new home, just make sure, give it about a year. Okay? Let the house settle in and then contact the home warranty company to come out here to fix these items all at one time. Got an undermounted sink. Nice gooseneck here. That looks like a Moen product. You got the white shaker cabinets. Then they did the additional upgrade here on the side, because typically this would be all open, but they added another door here, which is kind of cool. 42 uppers. You got the light rail. And I haven't talked about this for some time. You know, if you go to a design studio, now not this builder, but any other builder, take a look at your light. Because sometimes the light is so thick, now you're forced to purchase a light rail. Okay? So you get that, it looks cool. So these are 3-step purchases, right? So number one, you're going to have to run electrical. That's one price. Then you're going to have to run the light. That's one price. Then you're going to have to add a light rail. Because if not, you'll be able to see that. Okay? Now they do make all type of lights, LED strips, so the reflection off it is going to be completely different, so just keep that in mind. This is a 36-inch General Electric gas 5-burner. Then we have our pot filler here. Not bad. I mean, it's a pretty nice home. We got the microwave. Now let's talk about the microwave here. Now, what I start to see is that you see this plastic right here. This is such a generic piece of plastic. Make sure to let the superintendent know when they install this, do not rip off the plastic, because this just recently happened to one of my clients. They had this microwave, they ripped off the plastic, and then before you take over possession of the home, you have the cleaners come in, they clean everything, but sometimes that microfiber towel picks up like rocks or pick up grime because they're using it to wipe everything down. They'll end up scratching this surface. So just keep that in mind. All warranties will be done through the manufacturer, not the builder. Let's take a look at the pantry here. What do we got for pantry? Okay. So we have one thermostat here. This must be the primary. Definitely decent size for a primary. This is a king size bed. We've got about 4.5 feet on both sides. Get 9-foot ceilings. We do have some distributed sounds. And that will be connected at the closet. Okay. Now remember, with this builder, you used to have so many options that you can pick and choose. But unfortunately, they spec everything all out for you. Because the way the market is right now, the new home sales are like literally like flying off the shelves. Like I've been to a bunch of brand new home tracks like at this price point, and everything is just like on a waiting list. Luckily, this one has a standing inventory. Now, this closet here, you're not going to get the closet. It's going to just be shelving. I love the fact that there's a double stack washer and dryer on the first floor. So that tells me there's a second laundry room. Oh, did we get to see this? You got the Petrofina. You have the 5-inch backsplash here. Under mounted sink, cast iron. A lot of wallpaper. Storage. Now, with these hinges, I talked about this in my last video here. You're going to get this because there's actually oil in the hinges, but it ends up drying up, and the dust flies on the baseboards. Make sure your casing is gloss. Okay? So that way you can wipe it off. If it's eggshell, you will never be able to get that thing off. Your alarm system will always be by the garage door. Here's your 2-car garage. Should come with a tankless water heater. Here's your guest bathroom. Oh, we also have a fart window too as well, which is kind of cool. And you have the alarm for every single window, which is really nice. Now, HOAs are going to run you $65 a month. All right, let's come upstairs. Let's see what we have here. Nice loft. So remember, in this one you had what? 1, 2, 3 bedrooms, but this could be a 4th bedroom. But I think I like it the way it is right here. Let me know in the comments below. 9-foot ceilings on the 2nd floor. Got additional workspace here. That's definitely an upgrade for sure. Second thermostat, Honeywell. Sierra Air is the contractors for this. Coming into the bathroom, 12 by 24 on the tile, 6-inch stagger, 3/8 grout lines. You're going to get the 3/8 grout lines with all the builders because it's easier to float that tile. Hides all the blemishes. Fiberglass tub, and also this has been cladded with 12 by 18 tile on here with a nice sheen. So this is actually the correct tile for the shower. Here, you're also going to get a lot of this cracking here because the tile actually buds up to the fiberglass tub. You're going to have expansion and contraction, and when you have two hard surface materials attached like this, and you're going to get that break. Coming into the laundry room, the sink is a upgrade. Also the cabinets, washer and dryer is not included. Now the builders are giving out a lot of incentives right now. New home sales are moving like crazy. Oh, 48-inch smart panel box. So this kind of lets you know what we have here. We have Cat 5. We have tons of them. Now the speakers are not ran here, so the speakers are probably ran downstairs. So you would have to identify where it's ran, so that way you can connect your receiver. So keep in mind, if you run your speakers, running the speakers would be one price. You would also have to buy the speakers, that would be another price. And then, oh look at this, we have some splits here and another split here. Now the router will also, the receiver will be another price too as well. Your attic access is right there. Now I do have the list for the standing inventories out here. But like I said before, it's fascinating in the southwest area. There's nothing out there right now. It's just literally a waiting list at this price point. Let's take a look at the tile here. Now on that cap right there, it's called a hermetic seal, I think it's called. I forget the name of it, so I do apologize. Let me know in the comments below. But on that end cap right there, all right, it's actually tar, and it actually prevents water intrusion. However, but as you can see, it's already drying out. So every couple of years, you want to come up on top of your roof, and you want to make sure you reseal it. Okay. Tiles looks to be in great condition, and also if you notice the tiles, you know, they look dirty. I mean, you're going to get all this on every single builder. It's not going to be clean. We got casings around the door, split here as well. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video home tour. If you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel, I would highly recommend you guys subscribe to the channel by showing the love and the support. And also, if you guys don't have a real estate agent and, you know, you're looking to hire us, there's no cost to you whatsoever. You know, our commissions do come from the builder or the seller of the property, because we also do resale. So if you even have a home out here in Las Vegas you're looking to sell, we also sell homes too as well. Give us a call. We definitely love the opportunity to earn your business. Other than that, I wish you guys nothing but the best, and be blessed, folks. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.